As winter is in, with that, all bright, colorful, and healthy vegetables are now easily available in the market. So let's make something delicious and nutritious with winter vegetables. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Peter. So let's make a very delicious recipe today and make the most of seasonal winter vegetable. So now let's check the ingredient to make this yummy recipe. And the ingredients are potato, green beans, coriander leaves, green chili, ginger, green peas, our bright colorful carrot and paneer. With that some masala, raisin, cashew, salt, mustard seed, sugar. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take a mixer grinder. Into it add 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. Next add 5 to 6 cashew and raisin. Then add handful of coriander leaves and add 2 to 3 green chilies. Though depend upon your taste bud. If you want more spicy, then you can add more chilies. Then add 2 to 3 small ginger. Now make a fine paste and keep aside. Now you can see our paste is almost done. Next we will jump into our cooking part. For that, take a pan, add 4 teaspoons of oil. First of all, once the oil heat up, then we will add 1 large potato cut into very small pieces. In this recipe, you need to cut all the veggies very small. After that, into this potato add half teaspoon of salt and fry it in a medium flame until it changes its color to light brown. Next, with that potato, we will add beans 100 grams which are cut in very tiny pieces. Now add 2 small carrots and 50 grams of green peas. Next, fry all these veggies for 4 to 5 minutes in a low flame. Then we will add our masala and we will go to the next step. After 4 to 5 minutes, stir the veggies well and then make a hole in between. Into that hole add few cashew and raisin. Onto that add the masala paste which we have done at the beginning of the recipe. Finally give a good stir. After that add salt as per your taste and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Though if you don't want to add sugar, it is totally depends upon you. Once you add salt and sugar, then cover and cook in a very low flame until oil start to release from all the sides. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, open the cover and again stir it well and you can see that oil has started to release from all the sides. At this point of time, add half cup of water, again stir it well, then add 200 grams of paneer cut into small pieces. Finally give a good stir, then cover and cook in a very low flame until the paneer absorbs the masala. At last, open and scrape, then sprinkle some red chili and coriander leaves from top and serve with roti and naan. Before serving it, serve in a serving plate. And if you are planning to treat this to your guests who are coming over for a get together, then you must treat them with something delicious as well as healthy. Then this easy recipe is a perfect option in this winter. And if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Thanks for watching. See you again. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. Bye-bye.